Hello my technical friends, this is TestOut Linux Pro and this is lab 8.5.8 and we are going to format a hard disk with extension 3. So you've installed a new hard drive and created a partition on the drive. You now need to format the partition before you can save data on the new hard drive. Complete the lab from the terminal. So in this lab, your task is to format the /dev/sdb1 partition with the extension 3 file system. So let's just go ahead and start lab. So we'll wait for the lab to load. So in case you need further details on how to solve any of the TestOut lab, you might want to consider joining my professional membership where you have inside that detailed video guide on how to solve any of the lab. So we'll just wait for the lab to load. Alright, so the lab has loaded. Let's go straight into the terminal. While inside the terminal, you want to type in, let's see, the first task is to format the /dev/sdb. Okay, so we type in mkfs.ext3, that is extension 3 by the way, and space /dev/sdb1, and then you press enter. And then we'll just go ahead and score lab. If you find this video to be helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit also, and like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next video.